everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel and happen to stumble by, well, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, click on the little bell, and let's get into it, y'all. Hi, guys! Okay. So, I know you saw the title of the video. It's a fall DIY. It is a high-end fall DIY. I'm telling you right now. I used pretty much Dollar Tree stuff, well, and some stuff from Walmart. And I think my container, I think that was from Target Dollar Spot last year. I'm pretty sure it was, yeah. But you can find this stuff anywhere, and you can dupe this for any kind of occasion. And I really wanted to share this. I filmed it back in Florida. Excuse me. I got the hiccups because I'm filming this late on Thursday evening, so put it up for y'all on Friday. And I got the hiccups because we went to Applebee's. It's like the big restaurant in our town. There's another restaurant, but I can't remember it. It's like a mom and pop restaurant. Anyways, I'm settling in. I'm missing Angela a lot. But you know, whatever. I got a light ring. Ta-da! We got a light ring. I can talk without hands. Phones falling down, things falling, so I can talk to y'all. Okay, y'all. I don't know. Like, I want to say something, but then I don't want to say it, and then I want to say it, and I don't want to say it. So, first of all, thank you. Thank you for the love and support. 99.99999% of the people have been very supportive. I mean, this is an enormous change for me. I am so displaced. I don't have my stuff. I know you can hear the birds. Well, the birds up north are getting ready to go down south, so they're preparing. You know, I feel displaced. I don't know this town. I don't know the state. I mean, I have cousins. I actually have cousins in Chicago, which are like, I think it's like 4 hours from here, which I'm going to go visit them. I mean, they don't know yet, but I'm going. I'm going to go visit them. Yeah, I'm going to go visit them. And, you know, so I got a couple, well, should I say it? Yeah, I'm going to say it. I got a couple of messages that kind of hurt my feelings, like really hurt my feelings. And I was really in my feelings for a few days. And I thought, well, Bella, that's not their life. This is your life. And you're doing basically whatever you want to do. So don't be offended. But it hurt. Y'all, I'm not destitute for any sort of the imagination. It's just that right now I'm going to be going back to school. I'm going to school, and he got this job, and I mean, why not? Why not just have an adventure? All my stuff is in storage. I am not living on the streets. One person said, why didn't I rent a better place? Well, number one, they don't have better places. There is no better place. This is a tiny, tiny town. People own their homes. This is not like a renter area with like fancy condos and fancy homes. It's nothing's fancy around here. This is like blue collar, you know, regular folk area. I mean, I've seen some people, I'm looking outside because there's a few houses in my neighborhood that are just absolutely beautiful. Are they what I would buy? No. But they're beautiful, and I appreciate them. And the town I live in is beautiful. Listen, I'm not going to say nothing bad about it because I think it's a beautiful town, and I really do. It's very historic. It's very old. There's a couple streets here with I shouldn't say ancient, older historical homes that are immaculate, beautiful. But as in the renting market, I mean, what do you want from a small town? Like, what do you think I'm going to get? Granite countertops and, that's not going to happen in a small town. I mean, I kind of knew that going into it. I personally feel blessed. I mean, I don't even know why I'm justifying myself, but I feel blessed because we got here on the Sunday, and I found this townhouse on the Monday, which is unheard of. Like, technically his job was going to pay 3 weeks a hotel for us. And then if we found a place, they were going to pay the first and last month's rent. But we said, no, we're not going to do that. We found the place. We like this place. I love my landlord. What a nice man, honestly. And, and then, like, anyways, I don't even know why I'm explaining myself, but I am. So, because, y'all are my friends, and you'll understand that this is a temporary part of my life. And I feel, y'all, can you imagine how I feel? Imagine how I feel. I'm watching all my friends on YouTube and Instagram decorate, and I have an enormous collection, the biggest collection you could possibly imagine of fall and Christmas stuff, and it's not with me. My child's not with me. Anyways, the comment hurt my feelings. So the few comments hurt my feelings. It shouldn't be in my feelings. I should have tougher skin than that, but here we are. So anyways, I am making the best of it. This is where God wanted me to be at this moment. I'm sure God's like, Bella, pick furniture. Okay, so the man, he's like, so we've been here a couple weeks now. Y'all, I can't pick furniture. I can't pick furniture. Because I'm thinking to myself, what am I picking? Like, am I picking something inexpensive that I'm going to leave here? Or am I picking something that's going to come with me to my new home? Because I know where I'm going. I do. I know where I'm going. I'll tell you in a bit. But I know where I'm going. So is that going to come with me? Should I get some? So anyways, I finally, like I'm not kidding when I say finally. We bought a mattress at Sam's Club. I'm going to make a whole video on that. We bought a mattress at Sam's Club, and then we bought, then I finally picked a bed and a box spring because I had the mattress on the floor for like, I don't know how long. And I've been to all the furniture stores here and in the big town near me. So I went to all the furniture stores. I'm sorry, what is going on with furniture? First of all, why is it so expensive? And then second of all, 6 to 8 weeks delivery? Like, what? No, y'all, no, that's too long. That's too long. So I'm ordering stuff online, but then I'm going between Amazon and Wayfair and Walmart and what's the other one I'm on? I think it was like Overstock or something. So I'm on all these sites and I'm putting things in each cart that I like. And then I'm trying to compare prices. I'm trying to compare size. Anyways, I'm like the worst at deciding anything. Yeah, okay. That's that. All right, let's get into the DIY. So this DIY, I'm sorry for chewing your ears off. This DIY is so easy to do. Anybody can do it. Just be careful doing it. And I hope you like it. And I miss you all. And thank you for watching my video. And watch to the end because I'll be back at the end to tell you something. Okay, bye guys. Y'all, what we're going to make is this amazing Pottery Barn dupe. The Pottery Barn is $39.99, and there was no way I was going to pay for that. This is from Target Dollar Spot, and I'm using pretty much all Dollar Tree stuff. So this is what I'm doing. I got a pot here that is boiling water. I'm getting it to boil. And then I'm going to use 4 Dollar Tree candles, these ones. I wish I found orange, but I found the red. I'm going to peel off this plastic. Now, I've never made this before, so I don't know how it's going to turn out. But watch to the end because it is so cute. And, oh, my God, can y'all tell that my nails in Florida were a bright color? And here up north, they're like a dark color. But, hey, that's the thing. That's the thing. All right, so make sure you take off the plastic because I tried one with the plastic and I was like, oh my God, what am I doing? Anyways, put all 4 in, let them boil nice and slow. Don't do like any crazy high heat. Be careful. Use gloves if you need to use gloves. You know the drill. Be very, very careful. So I let the wax melt really slowly, and I think that was a really good thing if you're going to do this DIY. And I bet you any money we can find something to do like this for Christmas that would be even more amazing. Like, I want to try and find maybe like a Christmas tree bowl or something, or a snowman shape, or an ornament-shaped glass container. Oh, my God, that'd be so cute. Okay, so what I did for scent-wise, I added these, the marshmallow and the pumpkin spice. Y'all, at the end, the candle smells so good. Yeah, ignore my countertops and let's throw out the garbage. So I've seen some other people making candles, and I've watched some videos on candle making. And I noticed a lot of people put essentials oils in, but I didn't have any on hand that were fall related. So that's why I used the wax melt. So now you could see here that they're really melting. And I'm taking out the wicks. So I got these out, and I'm waiting for one more. But I think I'm only going to do 3 in here. And I'm going to hot glue them to the bottom. I think that'll work. We'll see. I have never done this before. Okay, guys, I got all the wicks. I'm going to use 3 wicks, so you can see the 3 chopsticks. Oh, do you hear that out there? We're getting a really big rainstorm. Okay, I just turned it off, and it's still boiling. I'm going to try and do this as gently as possible. Y'all, I was concentrating like you wouldn't believe. All right, I just filled them, and I used the 4 jars from the Dollar Tree. And also, I used 2 packs of the wax melts, the pumpkin spice. You can really smell the pumpkin spice in here. So I'm kind of excited. I hope this turns out good. Okay, it's done. I'm just going to cut the wicks nice and short and take this off, and then I'll show you where I'm going to place it. But it smells so good, y'all. How cute is this, and how adorable did this turn out? Y'all, I am so impressed. I'm going to light this, and let's see what it looks like lit. I love it, y'all. This is an easy but very, very beautiful DIY, and I hope you all try it. Enjoy. Right? So cute. So cute. You made it to the end of the video. Thank you. Give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, you know, all that stuff. Y'all, I talked your ears off at the beginning. I'm not going to talk your ears off now. I know. I want to wish you all a very wonderful weekend ahead. Have a wonderful weekend ahead. On Monday, I will be here. I'm going to show you us putting together the bed, doing all the things. And I want to start a series on my channel to keep me occupied until my textbooks come so I can start studying. I want to do a Christmas. Listen, there's no way. Angela's coming up for Christmas. Oz's sister, brother-in-law, and her son's coming up for Christmas because they all want a white Christmas. Got a better snow. So that's that. My dad is coming for Thanksgiving. I know, that's so sweet. I know. I thought that's really sweet. My mom's doing terrible. Yeah. Well, this is life. Okay. So, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody.